In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Zendesk. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with several icons. Find the gear icon there. This is your settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, Zendesk will open a new settings page in your browser where you can manage different aspects of your account. On this new page, keep your attention on the left panel. You should see a section labeled People. Click on People and it will expand to show more options underneath. From those options, select Team Members. This is where you can see and manage all the users who have access to your Zendesk workspace. Now look over to the right side of the screen. At the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Create Team Member. Click this button to open the Team Member editor. This is the form you'll use to add your new admin. In the editor, you'll be asked for some basic information about the person you're adding. First, type in your team member's full name. This is how they'll appear in the system, so make sure it's entered correctly. Next, enter their email address. Double check that the email is accurate, because Zendesk will use this to send login details and notifications. Once you've confirmed both the name and email, look to the bottom right of the form and click Next to move on. The next section will ask you to assign a role to this team member. Zendesk offers several roles, such as admin, agent, light agent, or contributor. Since we're focusing on adding an admin, choose the admin role from this list. Admins usually have the highest level of permissions, including access to settings and configurations, so only assign this role to someone who truly needs that level of control. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to review your organization's permission policies before confirming. After you've selected the appropriate role, scroll down if needed and look again to the bottom right corner of the screen. Click the Save button to finalize the setup. Zendesk will create the team member account with the details and role you provided. That's it. You've successfully added a new admin team member to your Zendesk account.